Courage above all things is the first quality of a warrior. In this short tutorial, I'll show you how to transition into Warrior 1, 2, and 3, also known in Sanskrit as Virabhadrasana. Vira meaning hero, Bhadra meaning friend, and asana meaning pose. Let Virabhadrasana teach you how to bring more courage, wisdom, and unwavering focus into every action in life. Be sure to click the subscribe button as well as the bell notification off to the right to receive notifications for new tutorials. With your right knee bent at a 90-degree angle, your left leg to the back of your mat, your left foot at a 40-degree angle. Inhale, raise your arms up high to the sky. Exhale, turn your torso to the left of your mat. Bring your arms out to the side. Breathe. Gently move that left arm back to the front of your mat. Shift forward. Press all your weight into your right foot, lifting your left leg up off the earth. Engage your core. Focus on your breath and your balance, as balance is the key in everything that we do. Take a deep breath in. As you exhale, drop that left leg to the back of your mat. Raise your arms up high to the sky. Then cartwheel your hands down to the earth, shifting into downward facing dog. Raise your left leg, then swing that left leg to the top of your mat between the palms of your hands. Then raise your hands up high to the sky. Inhale, exhale, shift your torso to the right side of your mat, bringing your arms out to the side. Then swing that right arm to the front of your mat and lift that right leg up off the earth. Engage your core. Breathe. Balance requires awareness, and through this awareness, we can grow.